Yo, what is up, everybody? Back with another banger. I'm gonna show y'all how to export your own modded sound effects on sticknodes Pro. It only works on sticknodes Pro, and if you were a dumb little idiot like me and you just thought you could just export the thing by recording it off of your phone and then copying it over there, you're wrong. That's not how you do it. Like, literally, bro. I was so stupid, and you were probably stupid with me too. But anyways, let's get right on to it. So what you want to do, you want to download documents. It should show this. Once you do that, you want to open it and you just want to sign up, and everything will be free. You don't have to enter a Gmail or anything. But now that that's done, don't mind that. You wanna go to browsers. It'll be in the corner. I'll circle for you guys. And what's it called? Yeah, this stuff. You wanna search up en.ut go converter. Sorry for my English, it's just a little bit cranky today, but I'll give y'all a minute to search it up. Okay, so after that, what you want to do, you want to press it, and then you just search up the sound effect that you want. So I'm just going to search up don't mind it. Never mind. Okay, so we're actually just going to do the... Oh, I spelled the thing. Yeah, I don't know how to spell it, but anyways, we're just going to do like a little, I guess a roar sound effect. You always want to put sound in there, or else it will give you some weird stuff if you don't do that. Don't mind my spelling though. So you can listen to it. So we're going to do monster roar effects. Okay, this is what you want to do. You want to press download, and then you just want to enter a random thing, and then listen. You could do it this way, just click it and press share, and then boom, you got your stuff. Or if you want to be one of those weird people and you want to do it the hard way because you want to... And you can do it like that. So I'm going to show you how to do it like that. Press close. Press the files in the corner. Inbox. And press the triangle, circle, and the square. Share. And then boom, sticknodes Pro. But if it says it's not allowed, then I'm going to show you how to fix that. First, what you want to do is download WavePad. Okay, so after that is done, you can import the sound that you have, and what's it called? I'm gonna just undo all this because I was doing a little bit of testing. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to do file, transfer files, Oh, wait, my bad. Open. Bro, what did I used to do again? Oh, okay, I remember. No, I do not remember actually. Okay. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. We're gonna have some complicated stuff. So. Okay, so what you want to do, go to Documents, then go to Save to Files, and at that point, bro, just have a random file set it up, like me. Then you want to go to Open File, and then Monster Roar. And then boom. Then you can play the sound too. You can even cut it. You can even like it's very easy. It looks hard like stick nodes for beginners, but listen, it's actually really easy. All you wanna do, if you want to cut a part out, all you want to do is this, and you want to press cut. Just scroll right. You want to press cut. I'll select it for you guys. But yeah, this is technically the end of the video. I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe because my goal is trying to reach 100K subscribers. But we are far away from home, but I know we can do it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the later video. Bye.